Hello lovely people, I am back with another video, and I have to tell you there is a line by Shea Moisture that has changed my life. It has changed my life. It is the Manuka honey and yogurt line. So initially I got the Skin Renewal Recipe Body Scrub, and then I got the Skin Renewal Recipe Cream Body Wash. I got these from Ulta. I like getting Ulta points, and they were also on sale. So if you bought one, you would get one for 40% off. And you know, I really like supporting Black-owned businesses as well. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try this out. This looks really good. It smells super good, y'all. It smells so good that when I was taking a shower and bathing myself, I had to taste it. So I tasted it, and it tastes really sweet. Y'all, you don't understand how good this smells. So it smells so good that I wanted the smell to stay on me all day long. So I actually went back to Ulta and got the Skin Renewal Recipe Body Yogurt Moisturizer. So this is kind of like a lotion, but it's not quite. It has a really interesting consistency. So it's like when it goes on, I'll show you. I got this just so the smell can stay on me like the whole day long. Okay, so when you rub it in, it doesn't rub in as smooth as a lotion would. I do have lotion by Shea Moisture, and it's really good. It's amazing. It will keep you moisturized, but you just have to make sure you don't have any of these extra clumps of moisturizer on your skin. But it really is amazing. I really like this product. It makes me happy, and it smells good. It smells so good sometimes. After I rub the moisturizer into my skin, I will, you see that? I will take the little bit I have left and just like put it through my hair. I mean, it smells so good. But yeah, so honestly I got this because I was trying to exfoliate my skin. I have these little bumps on my arms, and I've been buying all types of exfoliating scrubs for my skin and my hands and all of that. This is pretty good. This isn't as rough as you would initially, like say a sugar scrub, but it will exfoliate your skin just fine, but not skin that has a lot of ingrown hairs, or if you have like chicken skin where you got these little bumps everywhere, it's not gonna work that well. But yeah, so I just wanted to share how much I really love this line. And I really think you should go try it. Go get this. You can go to Ulta and get it. You can go to Target. I saw it at Target. So the places these are the places I've seen it at: Target and Ulta. And I will leave a link in the description as well, so you can get it there from Amazon. But yeah, this has changed my life. I actually enjoy taking a shower and scrubbing my skin down and putting on lotion. I used to not like this, but this is definitely making that experience better. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.